That noise you hear when you match brake, you are disturbing the area and you know it is not normal. And me and you know where the noise is coming from. But because you are wicked, you don't want to change that your brake pad. At least live soft life for once. Change your brake pad. You match brake in your compound. Go stop for your neighbor compound. You know the tire you do. And I always want soft life for you. I don't want you to stress at all. That's why I'm bringing this Vonos Ceramic Brake Pad for you. Easy stopping, no noise, no dust, and is available for all kind of car. And the good news is, any purchase you are making on our website at www.vonosautos.com, you are getting 10% discount. Rush in and buy now.